When I go to the thrift store, I am always hoping that I'm going to find something fabulous. But you can't really make a list of things you need when you're thrifting because you just never know what you're going to get. The biggest tip that I have for you is keep an open mind. You got to keep your mind open to the thrift store vibe. Say yes to the weird stuff. It can be really good. We also went to Wisconsin for a paint workshop. We filmed it. It's coming up in a future video. Hey, Bobby.
What are you doing, Debi?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You're asking me what I'm doing.
Bobby and my dad were working on the new paint bar for our 25-year anniversary garden party. I was working on the next project for the subscription box.
Okay, we are here.
And we are gonna finish this garden once and for all. We have a big plan coming for it that we haven't even told you about. So we're going in to get some final items for our new paint bar area. And when you go thrifting, you can't really make a checklist. You just gotta get whatever you see, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go. This is actually a consignment shop, not a thrift store. There's a better variety, there's more vintage things, but the prices are higher. However, items get marked down every 30 days. I go in there a lot. I scope out things, I wait for them to get marked down, and then I purchase them. And I've found many awesome things at great prices this way. You just have to be patient.
Spread a little happiness, spread a little bit of happiness.
It ain't hard to see all that's going wrong. I know it's far too easy now to sing a sad song. To sing a sad song. Yeah. Lying on the ground never help no one. When you get knocked down, you know that you gotta get back up. Gotta get back up. Oh, we gotta look on the bright side. There's never been a better time.
I have some boho plans for these black flamingos. I've never seen black ones before, but we're gonna give them a makeover.
Loading up the flamingos.
The flamingo party.
Can't wait to see how these turn out.
They're gonna be epic. Creative friend, this is my tip for you. You have to trust your crazy ideas. When I first saw these flamingos, I was not quite sure what I was gonna do with them. So don't hesitate, especially if the price is good. You are learning, you are growing, you are stretching that creative muscle. So take a chance on the weird stuff. Dad, what are you doing?
Your perfect will.
I always ask you, what are you doing? And there is a person who watches our videos and she says that I'm super annoying when I ask you, what are you doing? But that's what I do, so I ain't stopping. Hey, Bobby, what are you doing?
I'm rinsing off the table.
Why?
Because we need a bigger picnic table. Maybe it will grow.
Hey, do you get annoyed when I ask you what you're doing?
No.
No.
Although it's fairly obvious what I'm doing.
Hey, Rose, what are you doing?
I'm gonna eat my lunch.
Okay, is that annoying for me to ask you, what are you doing?
No.
Debi, what are you doing?
I'm filming, I'm doing my
Okay,
job.
now we're heading over to this other Consignment Classics.
This Consignment Classics is in a high-end area. I feel like there's a lot of very wealthy people who just get bored with their stuff, and you can find really unusual things. There is the weirdest lamp that I've been looking at. It is marked down for the second time. I'm waiting for one more markdown. Let me know if you think I should get it or not. Hey, my dad put up some shelving back here, and he's just tweaking the bar a little bit, and then we will get it all painted up. And those are the first of the new workbooks that go with the subscription boxes. I want to say thank you to Lisa Gray. Lisa Gray from Wisconsin, Beth Clements from Michigan, Marianne Smith from North Carolina. You guys, your workbooks are coming. If you have been receiving our monthly subscription box, you get 3 beautiful book pages and a new stencil tutorial every month. I have had a dream of writing a beautiful tutorial book with photographs and videos connected to all the projects that I have made. We created this creative workbook organizer so you can take the pages that you get every month and put them in the 3 different tabs or 3 different categories. There is also a place for every stencil that arrives each month. By the end of the year, you will have a beautiful tutorial book. If you would like to know more about this workbook, there is an extended video on our website, and if you would like a workbook to organize your subscription box contents, you can order it in the link below.
Okay, I packed up my flamingos and I brought them back home because I want to doll them up now. They've got 2 coats of Walk on Water. I have a whole Pinterest board that I created looking at flamingo ideas. I have to touch up a little bit on him, but I think the beaks are going to be golden ticket, and then I'm going to put on the wild blowman. Yes, it is back in stock. We have not had this for months because it sold out, and then they finally came back in stock while we were in Wisconsin, and I was only able to order 15 of them, and they're gone again. So we have 15 of these. They'll probably be gone in a couple days, and then it'll probably be 3 months before we get them again. I'm going to give these the wild blowman treatment, but before I do that, I'm going to coat them with the Salvation Solution. The Salvation Solution is really good because it's plastic and it's clear, and I want it to really stick good. It is so strong that I don't even put the lid on all the way, because if you get any of it down here, it is really hard to get off the lid.
Salvation Solution is magic for tricky surfaces like plastic or metal, ceramic containers that you may find at the thrift store, or the lampshades that I put transfers on. I should have put the Salvation Solution on first before I ever even applied the paint, but I didn't. So now I'm applying it over the paint. This will help the transfers glide on. Salvation Solution has a very shiny surface. That is part of what makes it so strong. So if you don't like a shiny surface, you may want to go over it again with a more matte sealer after you're done. What you're going to see next is a big mistake because I am impatient. The Salvation Solution will dry quickly, but it cures slower. And even though I knew this, I tried to immediately rub the transfer on, and you can see that the paint is sticking to the back of the transfer instead of applying to the flamingo. I knew I needed to wait 24 hours, but I just had to test it and see if somehow it would work anyway. Don't waste your transfer. I waited until the next day and everything went smoothly. But if you're impatient like me, you're gonna waste some flowers. Don't do it. I am applying 2 coats of golden ticket onto the beak, and I really think that this made them next level.
It's Thursday. I'm headed back to the store to finish up that area. I think finally Jenny should be there painting, and we're gonna finish the flamingo. Bobby is here, Jenny is here. I think my dad went to go get some stain for the deck because we had to replace those boards and we need to stain. Okay, let's go see what Bobby's doing. I can ask him my favorite question. Hey Bobby,
What are you doing, Dad?
what are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You're asking me what I'm doing.
How you doing?
You're asking me what I'm doing. That's what you're doing.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Oh, there's Jenny. Jenny, what are you doing?
Hey.
Can you say that again?
No.
He just said we're doing whatever you tell
what
us
your dad said.
to do. Jenny
We
is
do what we do.
painting the shelves. What color have we got here, Jenny?
Walk on Water.
Walk on Water. It's my favorite. Mine too. Bobby, what do you think of the name Walk on Water? Have you ever walked on water?
Well, when it's low tide.
Or what about on your surfboard? You do that like little walk thing that surfers do. They walk back and forth on their board.
Yeah, you walk on your board.
Can you do that?
That's not really walking on water, but I guess it's close.
What do you call that move?
Walk into the nose.
Walk into the nose. It's looking so good. I like it. Okay, I got 1 done and 4 to go. Yes, Jenny's so good at the transfers. What do you think of the flamingos, Jenny?
I think they're fun.
Yeah, they
Totally
are cute. We're gonna definitely sell these.
Such a difference in those pink ones.
Yeah, they were black when I found them at the thrift store.
Oh, you're kidding.
No, now they're walk on water. I am gonna clean up. All of this needs some repainting and some touch up because we've done a bunch of remodeling. Our color palette is Salty Kiss. I love this green. And then we've got Flirtatious. Are you flirtatious, Bobby?
Well, if you do give a salty kiss, then you're flirting.
Do you remember our first date? And I asked you your last name. You told me Sparks, and I said, "Are there sparks on all your dates?" Do you remember what you said back to me?
Probably yes.
You said, "Hopefully this one."
Oh, that was a good answer. I wasn't all braggadocious like I.
No, you just shrugged and you're like, "Hopefully this one." My dad built this beautiful bar top and it needs a little bit of a finish. It's gonna get a lot of use because people are gonna sit here and paint, but I want to just give it a little bit of a weathered, this is our weathered wood color, and it's exactly that. It's a brown gray, and I just want the wood grain to show through, so I'm just putting it on and wiping it off as we go. Weathered wood is such a great color, and then we'll seal it probably with Big Top after this.
I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast?
We are selling the flamingos that Jenny and I made on our website. Just click the tab in the description box below. And if you would like to find DIY paint in your area or sell it in your store or for all the other products, the link is below.
Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go?
My shop has been open for 25 years and we are going to have a party to celebrate. If you would like to know about it, sign up for our newsletter. The link is below.
'Cause guess we've said it all.
I got back from my trip to Wisconsin and the rabbit ate my plant again, and it was not supposed to like that kind of plant. So I have rosemary. I'm going to try that next. And I've heard you guys in the comments say that you need to welcome the creatures into your garden. I don't want rabbits or spiders, or bees can come and visit and pollinate, but they cannot make hives here.